Are you ready for the storm? There's another one coming, you know. They always are. In this video, we're going to show you how we tie down our mainsail and when we use this method and when we do not.
I'm demonstrating today our method of wrapping our mainsail. I've modified a blanket stitch that I learned as a younger person, and it works with great success for wrapping our mainsail in case of a storm. The technique is very simple. You wrap the bulk of the cord under. You see what I'm doing there? And then pull tight and move to the move down. I usually use 10 to 12 inches. And then let's see, we go back through. I hold the line on the top, bring the bulk of the line through, under, and pull it tight. All right. Stretch the line out 10 to 12 inches, bring the bulk of the line up, under, pull it through, pull it tight, go another 10 inches, bulk of the line up, through, pull it tight, this is an old halyard that we basically kept on hand. Works really well because it has a lot of length, actually more than what we need for this, but it's better to have more than not enough so you can wrap the whole area.
Don't talk, wait for the breeze to die.
Okay, as you finish, just pull tight, pull up any slack, and then you can tie off however you choose. I usually use a half hitch. I've got plenty of line, so I might actually go back over the mainsail just with a twist to use up the line. I think that's better than having it hanging loose.
This method seems to work fine for your normal afternoon thunderstorms. We've used it in tropical storms, but not a full tropical storm. Let's face it, if there's a hurricane in your forecast, what you really need to do is strip the boat, tie it down, and go home.